Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, I'm back to show you the last project for outer box. Okay, and this is, you can see, is the vintage shabby. So yeah, this is how I create. Yeah, I make again all these box acrylic boxes. Okay, this one. So inside, yeah, this one, because yeah, you can see it's many places to store the lasers, I think. So yeah, and this one is quite big. This one is the mushroom. Yeah, I bought the mushroom, got 3 packet in the box, so it's quite long and big. So that is good. Sorry, yeah, it's candy. Never mind. That doesn't let candy making noise. This one, another one, this one. So yeah, this is quite large. These 2, so many here. So now I'll show you this box, and this is the box. You can see I print on the muslin fabric again, this pattern, and layer with the lasers like so. And this is the side here, and this is another, this is a back. Okay, so layering with this and this one. So this is the top side. Okay, and I paint with this color. So yeah, open the box, and this box, and yeah, I made a simple, very simple cut to match this theme. So use this paper as well. Okay, and let's so print with this paper bag, muslin bag. Oh, this is in this theme. Yeah, so many, and this vintage girl. So yes, and this is the vintage, and yeah, this will goes to Wa, my BFF, and Wa, because she mentioned she has no space to get any handmade stuff, so I didn't make any handmade item for Wa. So I just send the goodies and send the laces, because Wa love lace, so I just send her lace and something, yeah, she can use in her project. So let me do wrap the boxes out so you can see inside the box. Okay, and yeah, this, oh, so yeah, this is inside the box. I print with the paper layer. Okay, show you nicely everything. So I can show you. I sent her this one, cause yeah, this one I can use this to store her embellishment or just hang on the wall. So yes, this, so this is one of my special sales kit, I believe. Yes. Okay, I use this paper to make the box. So it's all inside, you can see goodies and everything. So you can use this to make the box, I mean the wall hanging. So many different of the goodies sent to Wa. So Wa can use all this in the project. Okay, this one, and another one Okay, this is embellishment. And let me see what else. Okay, another yummy laces. And one, yeah, she looking for the vintage antique trim, so I get some for her. So yeah, well, most of the items for what is the vintage gold cream color. Okay, this is so match this. Okay, another one is this one is okay. This is a flower, so I can use all this flower for my project. Okay, and now this one. Even yeah, what say she don't want any handmade items, but I just make some for her, and you can see I make this one with the two fabric. Yeah, it's a two fabric, then the rosette flower and the printed fabric and the buttons, and I layer the two on top on the button, so you can see. Yeah, this why you can use this into your project. And also send some of these sequin flower and buttons, very huge button, and the pink and the white one. And so I make her some of the vintage, also this theme button, and this one you can see I layer with the two on top. I make the small size, also in the same pattern. This one also I layer with the two, and some more. Yes, I think, yeah. Make some more small ones, so I can use this on her project. And also get this tangle bit one, and also I also send her some of the tiny blank sandals, yeah, for the flower sandal. And I I make a flower for Hua. This is the tutu, yeah, the two fabric, so it's quite pretty, you can see. Let me just zoom in and show you. Okay, it's so pretty. Okay, and I also make her this. Oops. Oh, okay, so one of these sequins flower, and I make this and use the same color to make the flower with the plain sandal, these two color, and I use this color, make another two. Okay, and this is the box inside. Let's use the image to make the box, and this is the bottom. So yes, all this later I show you the, yeah, I believe, yeah, all this is something I make for you, ma. So I send you any of the lace trim, so you can use all those for your project. And all these buttons, because one so creative, so yeah, any handmade items, yeah, not so how to say, not so good, not so perfect for one. So I rather to send her items so that she can use all those items to create her own project. And one more, this the size. Okay, and I make this. Yeah, and while looking for this long stick paint, and yeah, last time I mentioned before that I use this kind of the needle. You can see this is the stitching needle, but I found this one. I forget to tell you what. I found this head pin, not pen, head pin. Okay, from the online store, but this is quite the length, and show you this is this one you can see the difference. Let me to show you. Okay, maybe you cannot see from this one. Okay, I use this one. Okay, you can see this one. This one is Bonnie sent to me. The length is same, almost the same with this. So if my last time I used the stitching one is quite short. No, I think this is the same, because this one you can see Bonnie one is more longer. Mine and this one is same length, but just a few centimeter. But this one is quite big, the head. So anyway, yeah, I send some for you. You can use that for your project. Okay, let me do. Everything I see and show you. Okay, this one I put back. So I use this to just, you can see I didn't glue, I just poke in, and all this flower yawa, you can use all this into your project. I send different color for you. You see these three. So use this one. Okay, all this. Yeah, I'll show you one more time. Everything pretty nicely. And yeah, what I sent you is this kind of the tassel trim. Yeah, you can get this from my store. Different color. So you can get different color. And this one, the bling bling. This one I didn't list in the store. This is the one of my kit. Yeah, I just save some for a while. And yeah, this one I show you really some of the trim that we like. Okay, and let me just show you again everything. Okay. And this one is what inside. Let me show you. Oh, this is quite sharp. Also, it's gold trim. So yes, let me just show you one more time. So this is the item for gift for Wa. And the first one I forgot to mention. The first box I made is the lavender with the gray is for my dear friend Amanda. Yeah, she is my dear friend, is my helpful admin in my group. And so I make the one to Amanda. And let me put all the three different boxes to show you. so you can see the difference. Where's my camera? Please bear with me. I will show you three together. So yes, 1 second. Okay, let me put all this aside. All this put back inside the box. Yeah, well, I really hope you like all this item that I sent to you, because how I put this. Yeah, this one is supposed to go down first. Because I don't know, because I just don't want to edit the video, so I have to do everything in one video. So okay, this is the one, this is another one, okay, and one more is this one. These 3 boxes here. So this one is for Amanda, and this one is for Wa, this one is for Sugar. So yeah, these 3 boxes. And yeah, let me put my stuff so you can see the difference. Okay, and hope, yeah, you get inspired from my project, so you can try it out. Use all the I mean the, can I say, and the small pieces to, yeah, make your project. Yeah, so yeah, hope you all like everything I show you, and thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel, and please leave me a comment and let me know what do you all think. And yes, and also, yeah, please give me a big thumbs up if you like my projects. And I have to start my monthly kit for January after record this video, and I have to busy again. And yes, and I show you, yeah, maybe next video. Okay, and thanks again, and bye bye.